This morning, we received a visit from Honorable Health Minister Shri Viswajit Rane at the South Goa District Hospital. He came here to assess our shifting process. We are happy to say that we have shifted the Department of Medicine, both male and female wards. We have shifted the gynecology department as well as the pediatric department. We had our first cesarean here this morning, and the minister visited the newborn baby and the mother. He also took a detailed visit of all the wards as well as the special neonatal unit and checked our preparedness. We also received from him good news that we can occupy the whole building. We require the space very badly on the third floor for the medicine department, since we are yet to shift the surgery unit, surgery and orthopedics, as well as our casualty is scheduled to shift next week. He checked on our new CT scan, which has been installed but is yet to be commissioned. So once we can commission that, we can shift our casualty and occupy the space that is designated for casualty. So we got the assurance from the minister that we have all his backing and support for this new facility. We have got staff. We will need probably support, which he has promised us to try and arrange. And we are all set. Tomorrow we will be opening our OPD facility here, and we will be very happy to have a smooth transition of the OPD facilities at New South Goa District Hospital. Some facilities will remain at Hospicio Hospital, which Minister has agreed. That will be the ART Center for HIV patients. We will have the DIC, which is the District Early Intervention Center. The blood bank is yet to shift, so they are still currently in the old premises, and the TB OPD. We also discussed possibly starting a palliative care center for terminally ill patients, to which he has agreed. So the old hospital will get a facelift and will still continue to serve the people of Goa.
आताच्यान सगळे OPD पासून सगळे एवरीथिंग विल बी हियर. कांयच जुन्या हॉस्पिटलान जे TB फॅसिलिटीन जे रिहॅब आनी बाकीचे गोष्टी आसात, DIC डिस्ट्रिक्ट अर्ली इंटरवेंशन सेंटर, that will be in the new old hospital, and for that special funds are coming for renovation and all. Whole idea there is not to use the dilapidated condition old wing. Old heritage wing which is there will be continued to be used by the health services, and that will be dedicated. आमी ज्या तरेन आजिलो रेनोवेट केला त्या तरेन तो रेनोवेट करपाक ताका सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे फंड, स्पेसिफीक फंड्स अवेलेबल आहा. तशेंच ज्या तरेन आजिलो केल्ले ऑस्पिसियो करून आमी तेजे ओरिजिनल आयडेंटिटी मेंटेन करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आता आमी HLL कंपनीक ऑन बोर्ड घेतला फॉर डायग्नोस्टिक्स, and HLL company will be in will talk to Dr. Aira and Dr. Deepa regarding South Goa District Hospital's requirement. We are taking them on nomination basis, being a public sector undertaking, so that we are able to install the cath lab here. आणि आमी एडिशनल डॉक्टर्स घेता. डॉक्टर सनत भाटकर म्हणून आमी न्यू डॉक्टर आमी प्रपोजल कॅबिनेटाक घेतले फुडल्या फावट, हू स्पेशलायज इन एन्युरिझम, म्हणजे स्ट्रोक्स जाल्यार तो मनीस त्या स्ट्रोकाच्या पेशंटाक आमी ट्रिटमेंट योग्य तरेचे दिवं शकता. This hospital will be complete, you can see, only when we have its independent cardiac facility here, and so that the people of South Goa don't have to go to Goa Medical College to take cardiac care. So that whole unit, just under Dr. Guru Prasad, will have to monitor. The whole unit, replication of that whole unit will be here. It's not that those doctors will come here on shift, but we need to take additional doctors for South Goa District Hospital. This was a dream of the people of South Goa, that this hospital should be commissioned. Today we are starting it on the occasion, on today's day. आनी एक हांवें चिंतलेलें की लोकांक कन्सल्ट करून की पयलीं हांगा प्रपोजल आशिल्ले वयर नर्सिंग कॉलेज हें करपाक काय आमी प्रायवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी चर्चा करूनच करपाक जाय. ओरिजिनल प्रपोजल ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड आहा फॉर नर्सिंग कॉलेज आमी जर हांगा केल्यार ते नर्सीस कॅन गेट हँड्स ऑन एक्सपिरियन्स इन द हॉस्पिटल